Welcome to Salesforce training videos from SPTech. SPTech is Salesforce consulting services based in Atlanta, Georgia. In this module, I am going to demonstrate how you can use lookup relationship in Salesforce. So if you want to create lookup relationship between objects, so we have two ways. One is standard and one is custom. So standard relationships are created by default. These are provided by Salesforce automatically. So let me show you the example of lookup relationship first with the help of standard relationship. Then I will show you how you can create custom lookup relationship. So here we have this account object. And if I open any account record and go to related list, so here you can see we have a related contact. And like contact is also an individual object. So here we have these records. So if I go here, open SPTech, so here you can see contact is Sanjay Gupta. And if I go to contacts, so here I have Sanjay Gupta as individual contact as well. So basically, if you want to link two different objects records, then you need a relationship field, and that you can implement with the help of lookup relationship. So if I go to contact and try to create new contact, so here you can see this lookup relationship field is available from where I can select the parent record. So basically, you need to create lookup relationship field on the child object, and the lookup uh, will be looking up to particular object that will be known as parent object, right? So let's say I'm going to create one context. So I am naming it as Ajay Gupta, and I am selecting as account name SPTech. So this account will be treated as parent, and this contact will be treated as child. And on parent, we will be having a related list where this record will be available. So this contact record will be available individually under its tab, and it will be available under the related list of this parent account. So now if I click on save, so you can see this contact is created. And if I go to details, so here it will show the related account as well. If I open the account record, and if I move to related list, so here you can see two contacts are available, and this is the one which we created right now. So now if you want to see this relationship field in the object manager, so you need to open child object, which is contact. So here you can find this lookup to account. Because of this, we have the relationship between account and contact. So whenever you are going to create contact, so you can optionally select particular account. So if you select the account, that contact will be related to that account, otherwise not. So this is basically standard lookup relationship. You can create it custom for your standard objects as well as custom object. So what I'm going to do, we have created employee object for other demonstration. So I'm going to create a lookup relationship field on that employee object. So in my use case, account will be parent and employee will be child. And here on account, you can see we don't have any employee related list. But when I will be creating a lookup field on employee, so one related list will be available here at the bottom. So moving to object manager, I'm going to search for employee. So always remember, relationship fields will be created on child object always. So I am on employee, clicking on new. So before creation of lookup relationship field, you need to decide which will be your child object. So here you can see this lookup relationship data type is available. And here we have the description. So it creates a relationship that links this object to another object. The relationship field allows user to click on the lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. So we saw it here, like if I go here and try to create new context, so this is a lookup field. And here it suggests for a list from which you can select a particular record. The other object is the source of the value in the list. So other object is, here in this case, account is the other object, which is linked with this contact, right? So same we are going to do with employee. So now I'm clicking on next. From here, I need to select the parent one. So I am selecting account, clicking on next. Now here I need to provide the field label. So I am just filling it as organization, like employee will be linked with any account, and the account will be treated as organization. So you can relabel it as per the business requirement. Now here we have these things which are important. So if you want to make it required, so you can enable this checkbox. So if you can focus, like if I enable this checkbox, so you don't, you won't be able to delete the parent record, right? If this relationship field that we are going to create is required. If you uncheck it, so in that case, both the options are available, so you can choose any option. So if you choose first option, it says clear the value of this field. You can't choose this option if you make the field required, right? So if you make this field required, in that case, you won't be able to delete the parent record. Otherwise, you can. Now I am just clicking on next. So it should be visible to all the profiles, clicking on next. Now it is asking to add this reference field to page layout. So yes, we need to add. Then this is important. So when you create normal fields, so this option is not available. But when you create relationship field, so this option is available. This option says add custom related list. So it means on account object, which is a parent, this related list will be available, which will be showing all the related employee records. So here you can see it is written like specify the title that the related list will have in all of the layouts associated with the parent. So account is having only one layout, so that's why this related list will be available with account layout. So now I'm just clicking on save. So this way our lookup relationship field will be created on employee object. So here you can see this field is available. So let me just do a refresh. So here it is, label is organization, API name is organization _ C, and the data type is lookup to account. Now, if I go here to UI and do a refresh, so now every time whenever I will be creating any employee record, so you will see a lookup field will be available there. So I'm going to create an, sorry, this is existing one. So on existing one, also you will see this organization, but this time I'm going to create new employee record. So here I need to fill the employee name. So I'm populating as Vinay, then dummy phone number, and here I need to pick the organization. So now one more feature that I want to show you, like if you don't want to select any account which is displayed here, that is recent accounts, so you can create new account as well. Like from this relationship field, you have the ability to create the parent record. So let's create that. So you can see new account window is available, and here I can provide the information. So here I can provide any account name and all the details I need to fill, and the new account record will be created, and that will be linked automatically with this employee record that I'm going to create. So let's say I'm creating account as Reebok and clicking on save. Here you can see it is linked. So two records, we created two records simultaneously, one for employee object and one for account. And here this account is linked. If I move to this account record, here in the related list, you will see this employee related list is available, which is having one employee related. Now here one more feature is available, that is you can create new employee records from this related list. So this is possible for standard relationships as well. Like if you want to create a context, so you can create nodes, opportunities, cases for everyone. This new button is available. So if I click here, so you can see this organization is by default populated, because from this account we are going to create this employee record. So Salesforce automatically populate this account here. So now here we can provide the employee name. So let's say I'm populating Ria, and this is the random phone number, and clicking on save. So you can see these related information. So two employee records are related now. So this is all about lookup relationships. And one thing you need to notice about lookup relationship, like if I delete this account record, these related records won't be deleted. So let me show you all the employee records. So we have three employee records. If I go here, select all, so you can see three records are available. Now, if I go to account and if I try to delete this, so account record is deleted. Now I'm just moving to employees. So you can see related record is still available. So this way, like lookup relationship shares loosely coupled scenario. Like if parent record is deleted, still child records will be available as is. And in next module, I will be showing you next relationship type, that is master detail relationship. So in that relationship, if we delete the parent record, so all the child records are deleted automatically. So we have these two types of relationships in Salesforce. So as and when required, you can choose whatever is desired or required for your business scenario. So this is all about lookup relationships in Salesforce. If you are based in USA and looking to start or advance your career with Salesforce, please reach out to us at hr@sptechusa.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Salesforce training videos. Thank you.